Welcome back to our channel. If you've been looking for one appliance that can air fry, bake, toast, broil, and more, then the Ninja Toaster Oven Air Fryer might just be the kitchen upgrade you need. Today, we'll explore its top features and why it's one of the most versatile countertop appliances you can own. This toaster oven preheats in seconds and cooks up to 60% faster than a traditional oven, making weeknight meals stress-free. Dual heat technology. The up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit directly heated Sear Plate and up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit rapid cyclonic air work together to allow you to sear and crisp at the same time. Enjoy crispy fries, chicken wings, and onion rings with up to 75% less fat than deep frying. The Ninja's air circulation system ensures golden, crunchy results without excess oil. Convection baking and roasting. This isn't just a toaster oven, it's a full convection oven. It cooks food faster and more evenly, perfect for pizzas, casseroles, and roasted meats. 13 functions include air fry, Sear Crisp, rapid bake, frozen pizza, fresh pizza, griddle, air roast, bake, broil, toast, bagel, dehydrate, and reheat in an all-in-one, powerful, 1800-watt appliance. Toaster function. With adjustable toast settings, you can get bread, bagels, and English muffins toasted exactly how you like them every time. Up to 65% faster cooking versus a full-size electric oven, with air oven functions ready for cooking in 60 seconds. Family-sized capacity. Its spacious interior fits a 12-inch pizza, 6 slices of bread, or even a whole chicken, ideal for family meals or hosting friends. Bake, broil, reheat, dehydrate, keep warm, and more. One appliance handles all your daily cooking tasks, saving space and money. Easy to clean design, with a removable crumb tray, non-stick interior, and dishwasher-safe accessories, cleaning up is quick and simple. Takes up 45% less space when you flip it up and away to store against your kitchen backsplash. Sleek and compact design. Despite its large capacity, it's designed to fit neatly on your countertop without taking up too much space. The stainless steel finish adds a modern touch to any kitchen. The Ninja Toaster Oven Air Fryer combines the power of an oven, the crispiness of an air fryer, and the convenience of a toaster into one compact appliance. If you're looking to save time, eat healthier, and simplify your cooking routine, this might just be the perfect addition to your kitchen. Product link in the video description. If this video helped you out, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more tech reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.